Hi and welcome to this new video which deals with the all-new direct train service from London St Pancras to Amsterdam Central station. Well, as you have probably noticed, especially if you follow my videos, then this is the very first time that I do a voiceover. Right now it's only an experiment, I don't know if I'm going to continue with it, but I just wanted to try it out. Right now you see me entering the St Pancras train station early in the morning. My train was scheduled for 8:31 a.m., but I came much earlier because I wanted to visit the lounge and the facilities there. And especially, there's one thing you have to know, there are security controls which are, I would call them airport style, so it is always worth coming a bit earlier. And as I had a sleepless night anyway because I was busy charging my batteries and getting my cameras ready, I had no problem to leave my hotel early in the morning. Maybe just a few words about this historic train station. Designed by William Henry Barlow and opened in 1868, today it is the train station for Eurostar trains. Before November 2007 this job was handled by Waterloo Station. I really like London St Pancras, it is very clean, there are a lot of shops and it has a very good atmosphere. Alright, time to go through security.
If you come this way, and then you go for security, passport control. Just to let you know, at security you have to put everything on the trays, including the suitcase.
Alright, security checks done. Now let's head to the lounge. I booked business premier, so it gives me lounge access, and let's see what it's like.
Hello.
Okay, let me explain to you a little bit.
Okay, great.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, thank you.
Alright, you saw and heard it. That lady gave me a little explanation of the facilities in the lounge, and now I make a walk around and show it to you. The lounge consists of two floors. Here I am on the first one, and on both floors you find something to eat, you find something to drink, you find screens with information about the trains departing, you find lavatories and plenty of opportunities to sit down and relax. Food-wise, this lounge is certainly on the upper end of European railway lounges. There's a lot of choice, a lot of different things to eat and to drink, and I must say, I really like that lounge. And now, let's go upstairs.
Anywhere you like. Some of you colleagues are already there, but feel free to go anywhere you like and then tell us which coffee or tea you would like. I will get to you. My name is Fadila, this is Serge.
Okay, very
He's
nice.
the boss.
Yeah,
He's the
thank
boss.
you. Oh, he's the boss. All right.
No, he's the boss. Well, actually, he's the boss.
Only when it's going. He's our master.
Actually, they're all bosses.
Yeah.
You know what I mean. Where would you like to sit, sir? You decide.
Just take a
Yes,
look
please,
right there. All right,
please.
thank you.
Follow me, sir. So you decide, you choose, and then I'll take your order, sir.
All right.
If you go on this side, you've got, obviously, you can charge your phone. On the other side, you can't charge it, unfortunately, but here you've got some chargers. But as I said, you can go anywhere, you can go at the end as well. You've got nobody at the moment.
Okay.
There.
Morning.
This is Morgan. The Wi-Fi password is
Right, yeah.
And please.
All right, yeah. I just take a seat.
The toilets are right on the end on your left and right on the end on your right as well, sir.
All right.
Would you like some cappuccino, latte, americano, some tea?
Cappuccino would be very nice.
Cappuccino, and
Yeah.
I will go some pastry, some juice, sir.
All right.
All right.
Thank you very much.
So this is what I got, and I must say the commitment of the staff was absolutely outstanding, and it made the stay really, really nice. However, please keep in mind that this was the very first public train, so there was a big event around it, there were a lot of press people, there were a lot of famous people as well, so I don't know if you would receive the very same service, like the staff bringing you your coffee on a different day. And talking about famous people, I met Paul from the amazing YouTube channel Paul's Trip Reports there, and we had a nice little chat about trains and about travel. It was very nice to meet you, Paul. Thank you. Okay, now it's time that I board the train, and let's get out of the lounge. Now I wonder how many of those people were actually normal travelers and how many of them were associated with the press or train enthusiasts. In any case, the train was full. For those of you wondering, the train is a Eurostar E320 made by the German company Siemens. It has a maximum speed of 320 kilometers per hour, although the operational speed is 300 kilometers per hour and 160 kilometers per hour in the Channel Tunnel.
Alright, hi, morning.
Morning.
Here you go.
Thank you. It's on the bus.
Okay, let me get rid of some of my luggage and let's find my seat. Here we go, that's my seat, number 61 in coach 1. Here we can also see the layout of the seats in Business Premier. So we have one single seat on one side, then the aisle, and then two seats on the other side. Before the train departs, let me show you my travel animation.
I know. Sit here if you wanted to.
So you probably heard it, there is a taxi call service in the train. In Business Premier, the train staff can call you a taxi while you're still in the train.
No problem. We'll send you the train manager.
As you saw on the travel animation map, right now we are leaving London and we are heading further southeast to the city of Folkestone. There we are going to enter the Channel Tunnel, and after roughly 50 kilometers we will come out on the other side of the channel again, near the city of Calais, to be more precise, in the city of Coquelles.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome on board this historic first commercial Eurostar train to Amsterdam. This is a milestone in rail travel, linking four great European cities for the first time: London, Brussels, Rotterdam and Amsterdam. My name is Miguel, and along with my colleague Jenny, we are your train managers. We're very proud to share our maiden journey to the Netherlands with you, and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Our journey time to Amsterdam will be 3 hours and 41 minutes, and we're due to arrive at 13:12 local time. The Café Métropole coaches 8 and 9 is now open, and our colleagues are looking forward to welcome you. Our sockets are available at every seat. In standard class coaches, you will find them under your seat. And our onboard entertainment can be accessed on your phone or tablet. Please be aware that our trains are fitted with sensitive smoke detectors. Smoking, including electronic and paper cigarettes, is strictly forbidden. Thank you. I wish you all a great journey on board Eurostar.
The seat was very comfortable, there was a power outlet and a USB port, as well as a reading light. And we are crossing the Thames through a tunnel.
Hello.
Hello, how are you today?
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
Good? You ready for the breakfast?
Absolutely, yes. Thank you. Thank you very much.
The main course and hot drinks are following very shortly.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Would you care for a croissant?
Yeah, please. Thank you.
A jam? Cherry? Strawberry? Apricot?
I would choose the cherry. Yeah.
Cherry? This
Cherry.
one?
Okay, yeah. Great.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bon appétit.
Thanks.
The menu is designed by Raymond Blanc, a French chef who is rated with 2 Michelin stars, and so in the end the food is best described with one word: excellent. By the way, I don't think there are any airlines, at least not on this route, that would serve this kind of quality. Nowadays on short-haul flights, even in business class, you don't get much more than a sandwich and something to drink. Okay, here we go. Now we are in the Channel Tunnel. Let's skip this part because actually there's not much to see. Now we are in France, in the region of Pas-de-Calais. Just want to show you here there is a internet connection, free Wi-Fi, and for me it worked fine for the most part. Okay, now let's enjoy a little bit the beautiful view out of the window before our first stop in Brussels. Alright, and here we are in Brussels, which is our first stop. It was a very short stop in Brussels, and now we are leaving for Rotterdam.
Yeah, I'm good. Right, thank you. Thanks.
Nice day.
Thank you.
See you later. Are you okay, sir? Yep.
Well, as you can see, the catering continued throughout the whole journey, and I want to point out that this is really impressive and you won't get that on a plane. This snack consisted of salami and Dutch cheese. It was delicious. Soon we reached Rotterdam, which was our first stop in the Netherlands. Well, and en route to Amsterdam, the staff also issued this package of licorice. And by the way, there was also some kind of souvenir, which was a carry bag. The plane indicates it, we are not far away from Amsterdam Schiphol airport, and that means our journey comes to an end pretty soon. So I believe it's a good opportunity to draw a conclusion about this train ride. Overall, I found the product pretty convincing. I do believe it is a real alternative to the plane on this route. Ticket prices start at €59 one way in the standard coach and go up to around €340 in business premier, which you have seen in this video. This ticket not only gives you lounge access and high quality food on board, but also full flexibility. so it's comparable to a flexible business class ticket on an airplane. The journey itself is enjoyable and the train was pretty much on time. Moreover, you could actually use your time on board to get some work done. So my verdict is, yes, if you need to go from London to Amsterdam, you don't necessarily have to go by plane. Alright, so here we are. After not much more than the promised 3 hours and 41 minutes, we arrived at Amsterdam Central station. I hope you enjoyed this travel video, and if you did, I encourage you to hit those like and subscribe buttons to support this channel. Sharing would also be very nice. There are many more videos in production and they are released on a regular basis. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, have a nice day and see you in 2 weeks.